Okay, so my fan is dirty, as you might see in here, and also the cover is dirty, so let's give it a quick clean. Okay, so you clearly see all the dust here, and I just don't want this to be all over the place, and that's why we're gonna clean the fan blade and then also the cover. As you can see, after one season, it's just unbelievable, crazy how dirty it can get. Okay, now let's clean the fan guard. So it's best if you rinse it outside with a hose. And then actually you get rid of most of the dust, because it doesn't make sense to just clean the propeller itself and then not cleaning the fan guard or the protector, however you want to call that. And let's also clean this one. And I do that once a year, so I'm not spreading the dust which collects over one season in my living room, wherever you're gonna use your fan. And the whole process usually takes about 5 minutes. And then you have a clean fan. And now let's assemble it.